Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Real, and I'm back with another bomb wig video. Y'all, as you can see, this hair is super cute and easy to apply. Y'all know I am not a professional at putting on wigs, but let's get into it. Oh, girl coming out. Anyway, y'all, this wig is from Wiggins Hair. Y'all, this is a lace front wig. It's a 13 by 6. Y'all know a lot of my wigs are always lace front, but I'm about to get into closures too as well. But this is a lace front wig, so that means it is lace in the front and like tracks sewn in the back. But I mean, I really don't be wanting full wigs no more, so I always opt to get a lace front wig. But this is a 13 by 6, so, and it did fit tight and snug. I did get a medium cap. I'm scared to do a small cap because baby, this head is a tank head. It's not too big, but it's enough. My mannequin head is a size 21 for reference. But anyway, that don't seem that big. Well, it's not that big, but baby, this noggin got a peanut, a heavy pistachio nut on the back of it, baby, so know that. But anyway, this is from Wiggins Hair, and this is what the box looks like, and it's human hair. This hair is a 20-inch 13 by 6 lace front loose deep wave, y'all. Well, loose wave, I mean. So inside the box, you know, it comes with inside the standard bag, and it does tell you that this is a 20-inch wig coming out. And inside that, it has the papers, Wiggins hair paper, that shows you how to take care of your hair. So it does have these little papers in here to show you how to take care of the hair and whatnot. And this is a natural color inside. I still have the cap in here because I didn't use the cap because they sent me this one, and this one is way too dark. But if y'all know anybody, I don't be knowing nobody that like is this dark or whatever. But if y'all know anybody, I got a couple of these. And if you're in South Carolina, baby girl, you can have them. Or I'm from Waycross, Georgia, and I might go back down there for Christmas, for the holidays. So I might give them to my homegirl that does hair. And maybe she has some dark, beautiful melanin skin clients that she could put it on. But anyway, it does come with a strap for the back of your wig if you want to do that. I was gonna do a glueless wig. I did glue this down, but I was gonna do it glueless. So I was gonna put the scrap in there, but I try to save these for when I have to make my own wig, even though I've been lazy, baby. So I ain't even been ready to make no wigs, but I do have a wig I have to make this week coming out. But anyway, y'all, it comes with the bag that says Wiggins. It's the red one, and that's all that comes in the box along with your wig. So, oh, I almost forgot, it does come with the hot pink thing that goes right here that you tie around, and I have a couple of them, so when they get real dirty, I just open up the new one and tie it around. But I did use one of these, one of my old ones, to wrap around my head. And how I did my wig, y'all, I'm not a professional, but what I did was I put one of these caps on. But first thing first, on this wig, I did bleach the knots, and I did spray the caramel tint spray on it after I bleached the knots, and used purple shampoo to take the brassiness out. But I done got a little light for the winter, so I'm starting to think that my tint spray, I need to be a little bit more light-handed because it is making my lace maybe too dark for my skin tone at this point. But anyway, y'all, oh, excuse me, my nose is itchy. Oh, and there's dust everywhere. But anyway, y'all, after that, what did I do? Oh, after that, I put the cap on, and I sprayed the lace spray on my cap, lace tint on my cap, to make it match exactly to my skin tone. And I used Got to Be freeze spray and freeze that down. Then after I cut the excess wig cap, I did put glue all around and pull the little flyaway wig cap parts down and put another layer of glue right there, and then I put the wig on. I glued, put 2 layers of glue, and then I did not cut the lace off of this wig. I just put the wig down and tied one of these around it and let that dry. Once it dried, I cut the lace off so it would match and stick to whatever my hairline was. So I cut the lace off. After that, I cut me some baby hairs and I tied it back down with the silk satin wrap. And that was it, y'all. So if you want me to do a video on how I do lay my wigs down, even though I'm not professional, I can do a video on that as well. But y'all, let's get back into this hair so I can show you this beautiful hair. Okay, y'all, like I said, I did wash and condition this hair and I let it air dry. I always try to come on here with it in its natural state now so y'all can see what the hair is and will look like once it's air dried. So let me show you how long it is. It is pretty long. It like goes exactly to my butt, and it is a full 20-inch lace front wig. And y'all, like I said, this hair did air dry. Only thing I did do was put mousse right here and tie it down when I tied the front down so that it would give me the part that I wanted. I didn't know if I wanted a side part or a middle part, but like I said, it doesn't have a smell. But like I said, I did wash and condition this hair. But y'all, this hair is so pretty. Y'all, this is beautiful hair. I do recommend this hair because it is so pretty. Y'all, I did not have to do nothing. It's very low maintenance. Like I said, I did let this hair air dry, and y'all know I like full hair, but if you want to mousse it down, it still will give you an amazing curl pattern, an amazing wave. Like my ends, they are real curly, but this hair is so pretty, y'all, and it's so full. Oh my God, like tangle free. And y'all, come on. Y'all, I'm not a professional, but girl, this was an easy wig to put on, y'all. And that's what I like about these type of wigs. It's easy as hell to put on because I'm not a professional. And y'all, as many wigs as I put on my head, I cannot be paying nobody $100 to $300 to do no wig. No, baby. And this is like beginner friendly because y'all, I cannot do no hair. But baby, when I tell you I would slap my wig on myself these days because y'all charge too much for the girl. But y'all, this hair was super easy to put on. And y'all, this is not a medium brown lace. I'm thinking that this is transparent lace or whatever. So you do have to do a little not maintenance, but a little bit more work when you are my skin tone and you using transparent lace, because you actually have to, like, I did tint my lace, and I did I think I might even put a little bit makeup on my lace, but I did tint it, and that should have been enough. I really didn't have to do no makeup. But you know, when you're lighter, I would go with the transparent. If you're a darker skin tone or whatever, I would go with the medium brown or whatever. But this is so pretty, y'all, and I can honestly say I do love this wig, and this will be another go-to wig and another go-to company. For right now, y'all, I don't have anything bad to say about this hair. I don't have nothing bad at the moment. I will do an update and let y'all know, but for what I see, this is just nice hair, y'all. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about the hair. Let me know how you feel about the hair. But I absolutely love this hair and how easy it was for me to slap this wig on. Y'all, I mean, I just don't have no complaints about this hair. I don't have nothing. Only thing I told you that you might have to do a little work on is the lace. If you are my skin tone, you know how to work with the lace, but if you go to a professional, they'll already know. But if you're a lighter skin tone, get this transparent. But as you can see, mine matches me. I just sprayed lace tint on it, so it's no problem to me. But anyway, y'all, let me know how you feel about this hair on me, and I will see you in the next video, honey. And shout out to Wiggins Hair for this 20-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. And like I said, this is loose wave, and it is gorgeous, y'all. This wig is super full too. You know how sometimes you get a lace front wig and the back be all loose? No, baby, this is full and it's beautiful, y'all. Girl, I'm feeling all Puerto Rican and whatnot. But anyway, y'all, comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Peace.